How to fix Etsy shop suspended. To fix a suspended Etsy shop, you must first identify whether the suspension is temporary or permanent. So, to diagnose the suspension type, first of all, launch any web browser of your choice. Once you open it, you simply have to log into your Etsy shop manager. So go ahead and tap on the search bar, then type Etsy Shop Manager. Once you find the official site, go ahead and tap on this, then proceed to log into your account. Once you identify your suspension type, if your suspension is temporary, you simply have to pay the overdue fees, verify your identity, and update the financial info, and also fulfill the late orders. But if you are facing a permanent ban, all you have to do is head to the Etsy appeal. Once you're here within this site, proceed to log into your account and also resolve the issue by simply accessing the form and state your case, and also make sure to be transparent and attach the documentations. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.